It's Saturday, December 9. We're back here in COP28. I bumped into Mr. Seth Grae, who is the CEO of Lightbridge nuclear fuel, a new kind of nuclear fuel which promises to stay longer in the reactor and give up rates. So if your nuclear plant is a certain number of megawatts, when you put their fuel in, you can expect a 10% to 20% uprate depending on what the case may be.
Yeah, we just signed in the last 2 days an agreement with Centrus Energy for a front-end engineering and design study for deploying our fuel at their facility in Ohio in the United States, where they produce high-assay low-enriched uranium, HALEU.
Yeah, what do you think is the common expected uprate by just shifting to your fuel without modifying any other part of the plant?
Yeah, so there's a trade-off between how much the uprate will be or how much longer the fuel will last in the reactor. So most of the utilities we're working with large reactors prefer 10% uprate and extend how long the fuel stays in the reactor from 18 months to 24 months between refueling cycles.
So from a year and a half to 2 years.
Right. Now we could do 17% uprate in a reactor with the same fuel cycle it has now of 12 months, and for new build reactors, a 30% power increase.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you expecting your fuel to be applicable to reactors like BWRX 300, AP 300, Holtec 300, Holtec 160, and the like at NuScale?
Yeah, exactly, because those are all water-cooled reactors, boiling water reactors or pressurized water reactors, and that's what we've been designing for.
Okay, so I'm so excited
Thank you.
because we are, it's my aspiration that the leadership in the Philippines will finally operate our 100% complete, very well built Bataan nuclear power plant. And it's rated at 620 megawatts.
Yeah.
So if there's a 10% uprate, then we're looking at 700 megawatts instead of 620. That's a lot of capacity for free.
Looking at 700 and shut down fewer days per year with the
Yes.
longer fuel cycle, so even more power.
Because 24 months instead of 18 months.
Yeah.
It would shorten the payback period for the investment.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, Mark.
Seth, and we are anxiously awaiting the release of your product.
And we're anxiously awaiting what you're doing with Bataan and looking at SMRs in the country.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.